everything has built up to this moment.
Oh, that does not sound good.
They stuffing up a balloon. So this could actually not work.
That's insane!
Oh my god. So it worked. We are now officially a luggage company. So this is quite surreal because we actually started initially working on luggage in 2018. It's kind of really allowed us to take our expertise in mechanical engineering and create something that is just, we feel like, the best in the industry. I think we've done, I mean, we have. This is, I would say, the best product we've ever made. Here we go, it's the golden sign sample. We've got to the end of the project now, and now we're in production. Unfortunately, it actually kind of failed early on, and we couldn't fund getting the product off the ground. It has really long development timelines and a lot of expense. We've used this heavily patented material and also patented process, Ultra Matrix, to make really lightweight yet durable luggage. And actually what funded this development was actually our customers investing in the business and becoming shareholders. And an important shoot to do that was actually going to South Africa. It was just an insane shoot.
Something's wrong.
Who said it worked? This is insane.
Mous luggage is lightweight, but is it durable?
We had this idea that we were going to throw luggage out of a hot air balloon. It's quite hard to find the location. We needed somewhere where we could go high enough and we could drop the luggage, but weren't at risk of basically it landing on anyone's. And so the only place we found that we could do it was this great ranch and balloonists in South Africa.
But I would say once we're flying, you look down, you go, actually that looks like a good area. Yeah. Go, drop the luggage and go. I'm going to stand here and get out of everybody's way. You guys will be there.
They recce someone early to come and see if the buffalo are here. If the buffalo are here, then this is out.
There's the balloon. The wind, if the wind turns in any direction, you need that 500 feet all the way around that center point. Otherwise, you're dangling on a power line or you're changing in the bush or whatever the case be. So
in South Africa, we were using the trial tool. This is a prototype. The real deal is going to be more durable than this. Because we had to use, we can't really use the right temperatures to get it right. So we've got our Mous prototype luggage. It's super lightweight and durable. And we've got a balloon to test it out.
Balloon?
Yep.
You feel the wind?
Yeah.
The wind's pushing the balloon's being pushed over. Okay?
really windy.
You still hang on, but you need to deploy straight away.
We've never thrown it from anywhere near as high before. So this could actually not work.
Yeah, I got you.
Mous luggage is lightweight, but is it durable?
Please say it worked! Please say it worked! This is insane. This is insane. And we look, they got a bit of damage here. Top layer has cracked. Other than that, is absolutely perfect. So this is a prototype. So the real deal is going to be more protective. But if you compare that to the polycarbonate one, that is just insane.
It's amazing. I'm so happy.
Yeah!
Good. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It's okay. I mean, it is completely fine. Make sure you put the handle back in. It still works though. That's impressive. It's so impressive. There's one hairy moment where we were in the hot air balloon.
3, 2, 1.
Holly got her leg tied around a pulley that opens up the top of the hot air balloon. And we were falling out the sky.
Right, they're both open, thank God. We lost more altitude there than I realized.
How much did we lose?
Like a couple hundred feet. Something's wrong.
They're coming down. Jesus.
About an hour on the field. So they're a little bit agitated because they got babies.
Taking the field where the power line is.
Hurry up.
Yeah, they're moving. Oh, so what happened?
As the base jumpers left, it just all mushroomed up, and then you guys just started to like fall to the ground really, really quickly.
So when we started doing the lines, we didn't realise, but we were actually like letting the air out and we were like dropping. It was really useful to do loads of drop tests with that luggage. We actually changed a lot of it actually. We changed the full geometry of the shells just to like optimise where we were finding kind of more stress on the luggage. We also changed how we were doing the logo. We've actually gone for something that provides extra stiffness. Now we've got the real deal. We really wanted to prove how good we are in this category. So we had all these ideas to push the luggage to its extreme. We decided to do all 3 ideas. First of all, we did some throws at the dam. So on the dam, it was so high.
It's very high.
I don't understand. Like, where's it gonna drop? Okay, so now that I've seen the dam, I think I'm even more nervous. It's crazy, absolutely crazy high. And the floor is all quite like this, quite rocky. So, I mean, this is gonna be a huge challenge.
We thought we have to give it a go with our luggage. First ever throw of this kind of final product from that height.
This is not gonna work. Such an awesome moment that now, after all these years,
We're going to be throwing luggage.
yeah, we've like, talked about it
when we
for
were
so
throwing
long.
off the hot air balloon, that was the prototype, whereas this is the real
It's
deal.
the real deal. It's the first like big proper stunt. I mean, this is crazy high, but I think it might survive. Let's see.
We've got Mous ultra lightweight luggage off a dam. 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Oh no, it's good. It's good to put it back out. Okay, let's start going. Oh! That properly bounced. Oh my god, is that okay? Oh my god! It looks completely fine!
Oh, the luggage is good. Everything is good.
I mean, everything's intact. Woo!
This is the lucky dam. The best dam. We love the dam. The highest, best place ever.
A big debate we had when we were developing the luggage is, do we want to create the world's like lightest hard shell luggage? Because it's certainly possible with this material. As we got into it, we realized that the trade-off of going like lighter wheels, lighter handles, often means less durability. Yes, we want to create it as light as possible, but we don't want to cut corners on the durability. This is peak performance and durability for this level of weight, which is super light. The Ultra Matrix is first made from polypropylene fibers. Now these fibers are stretched and that aligns the polymers to create a crystalline order. Those fibers are then woven together, and through pressing and heat, that allows the material to be very, very strong, but very, very light, but also can deform. So you will see in our videos, even when a tractor goes over it, you can pop it out and it remains beautifully intact. And we wanted to prove that.
We're at Silverstone Rally Track and we're going to be testing our brand new luggage, strapping it to the end of that car and driving it around the track to see if it survives. Let's go check out the track. I feel like that is going to test it quite heavily. We've picked the worst day possible. It's rained all day. As you can see, it's just grim out here. So this is where the car's going to be coming round. Luggage is going to be attached by a rope at the end. It's pretty rocky here, so it is going to be some serious testing for our new luggage. Look at the stones here. But before we test the luggage, I'm going to get in the car and we're going to take it for a spin around the track, just so we can really get an idea of how intense that experience is of going around this track. I'm pretty nervous about that.
Let's do it.
Go for it?
I think so.
You good? How intense an experience is this going to be? What do you
Scared of this one.
It's going to be drifting a lot. Sick. We're going to be drifting a lot. You said very sideways, whatever that means.
That was insane. That was intense.
Mate, are you alive?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No, that is insane. I don't know how the luggage is going to survive that. I'm not just saying it. Like, it properly feels so intense.
This will be our first stunt with the actual final sample of Mous luggage, so I'm super excited to see how it holds up now it's all been finally completed.
Yeah, I'm ready to go for it. Luggage, and to test how durable it is, we've tied it to the back of a rally car. Here we go!
Oh, that does not sound good.
Okay, let's see how the suitcase is holding up. The front of it seems completely fine. Look at that, no cracks, some scratches, but that is insane. Wheels are working fine. The zip seems to be completely fine. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe how well the Mous luggage did there. I've got a polycarbonate competitor. Let's see how that does. Oh my days! It has literally come off the rally car. So you can see the handle is completely broken off. Look at the luggage. Jesus Christ. It's completely done. Oh,
There's barely anything left.
my days. Look at that. Look at the damage there. Yeah, they're completely done.
That is polycarbonate luggage. That is Ultra Matrix. That is insane. And that is why you need Mous luggage.
And then we also just wanted to do a drop, high height, also high speed onto concrete. A runway and a plane had to be done.
How you doing?
Yeah, good.
It's pretty mad, isn't it?
Very mad, yeah. How you feeling?
Yeah. As in, like,
Do you think you can throw it out without hitting the plane?
I'm more worried about hitting the solar panels. So Piers' commuting yesterday was with a rally car, and my commuting today is with a plane. It's quite hard to even get that level of testing, like in a warehouse. Because
Yeah, you can't throw it out of a plane, not a house. During our QC.
So for sure, yeah. Believe it or not, the balloon testing was useful. Normally we start a shoot and I'm like, oh, I'm very worried about this. Whereas this,
You feel much more confident.
the luggage is going to be absolutely fine. The luggage is so good that this is like easy. The luggage is insane.
Yeah. He's set us up for failure now. He's definitely hitting the solar panels.
Mous luggage. You take luggage on a plane. Let's do some extreme baggage handling. Then schlocker it out.
Glad it's not me up there, that's for sure.
So right, here we go. If Harley Davidson made a plane, it would sound like this. I've had a few hairy moments. First of all, my headphones being flying off the back, which really got us. And then there's been a few luggage that nearly got sucked out the door. There's actually quite a lot of things to consider. You've got the wind, you've got the speed, and you've got the height, and you've got the tracking.
Right, it's coming round. Oh boy. Here we go.
3, 2, 1! Now, super lightweight luggage, extreme baggage handling!
How's it looking? Okay, luggage looks
No way.
Handle's still working completely fine. This side badly, so it's got some scratch marks. But overall, that is still intact. Wheels are working fine. That is completely nuts. Zips all good? That is completely crazy. Out of a plane and completely fine. Come on!
Polycarbonate luggage, it's endurable!
How's the old polycarbonate luggage holding up? Oh! It's split open, guys. Look at that. It is fully split open and it has cracked here. And I can tell you, that's not popping out. There's no popping that out like Ultra Matrix here. And that is why you need Mous luggage, guys.
Right, here we go. We've done it. We are now officially a luggage company. Pre-order your cases. Like this video, please comment below, and we'll do more of them. Oh, here we go, drone! Whee! Woohoo!